It's time to get down with my winner chicken and dumplings dinner booze. Yep, that's right. This is the best recipe you will find, and it's award-winning too. It starts with my flavorful, homemade, thick broth packed with veggies and made easy with rotisserie chicken that pops those flavor buds. Then I top it all off with buttermilk-infused dumplings that soak up that glorious sauce. This dish is a big old hug in a bowl. It's Southern soul with a grandbaby twist. Get at this recipe, y'all, and stay sweet, grandbabies.